Right? Wow. Man, looks incredible. It looks incredible. Man, I swear, I don't always wonder how people can like do that job. Honestly, cleaning the floor like that. My brother's on the phone. So SCP is like some. It's not like Alien versus Predator, is it?
No. It's about these creatures.
Mm-hmm.
If you look up on YouTube,
Yeah.
they'll explain you the full story of it. It's long. It's a lot.
So you've been watching it for a while, have you?
Yeah, for a couple of years.
Couple years, really, don't? And what is this channel again? Now wait, infographics, right?
No, it's
My brother.
Chronicles.
Chronicles, okay. So I'm gonna check one of these. He's doing a good job cleaning the carpet. Goodness.
Alright, that's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, that was quick. Oh, thank you so much.
You get that?
Oh, yeah. I apologize. Okay. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi. No, Tom, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. See?
Carpet wet?
Yeah.
Leave it dry for a bit.
Yeah, it looks great. God, he was lightning fast. Goodness.
Just leave it dry for a few.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so get your feet.
I know. My phone's gonna die to 6%. Ugh. Boy. I swear they work hard.